Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials so the check is fast and reliable. First, verify battery health and the charger. A failing battery skews performance results. Next, sign in with an admin account and note the OS version. This matters for commands and updates. Once done, confirm at least 10% free storage and have Ethernet or Wi-Fi credentials, plus a USB for logs. These initial steps let you run diagnostics without permission or space roadblocks, and they save time later. You now run core diagnostics to find configuration issues and hardware faults. Open Device Manager or equivalent and scan for driver warnings. Outdated drivers cause instability. Run SFC and chkdsk to repair system files and disk errors, then execute a memory test to detect RAM faults. While you wait, test network speed, Bluetooth, camera, and microphone, because connectivity problems often masquerade as app failures. Make sure to record error codes and exact symptoms. That makes fixes targeted and repeatable. You finish by applying fixes and verifying results so the laptop is ready to use. Install driver and OS updates, reboot and recheck battery, performance, network, and peripherals. Create a backup of logs and set a restore point before any major configuration change. This saves you if something breaks. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to isolate third-party software conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: if hardware tests pass but issues remain, swap in a known good user profile to rule out corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.